To this now, the Democratic Alliance is planning to lay criminal charges against the ANC's top 6 leadership. The ruling party is accused of failing to pay staff members UIF contributions, despite deducting them from their salaries. eNCA's Lindsay Dentlinger is following that story and joins us now. She's at the Cape Town Central Police Station. Lindsay, so has the DA gone through there to lay charges, and what exactly are these charges that they are laying against the ANC leadership?
Good afternoon, Ulysses. Well, yes, I can confirm they have been to the police station and left just on about an hour ago, laying complaints in respect of 2 laws. One of those, the Taxation Act, and the other, the Employers Contribution Act, saying that the ANC violating both laws by not paying over UIF and other benefits that employees and employees contribute to. ANC staffers saying that these are being deducted from their salaries, but they've since learned that when they, for example, resign, they cannot access Provident Fund money, they cannot visit doctors because their medical aid's not being paid over, but that they can attest to the fact that these deductions are being made. And then also it's believed that they are not paying over pay-as-you-earn from employees, and so the DA today pressing charges at the Cape Town Central Police Station, saying that there needs to be a full investigation as to confirm whether this is indeed the case, especially to Ulysses, where because we know how businesses have been suffering during the lockdown, unable to pay their UIF and other benefits, and because they simply don't have the income to do so. And the DA saying that if other employees are struggling to do so and are forced to do so, then so too the ANC should be leading by example.
Sure. So I imagine that it's not just about, holding the ANC to account and ensuring that they adhere to the laws of this country, which they must. But, there's also a political message as well that I would imagine is not lost on the DA. And, they are well within their rights to politic on it a little bit.
Ulysses, where you read my mind, that was one of the first questions I posed to them outside the police station earlier. It's very hard to believe, given the timing of all of this, the season that we're in, that this is not an opportunity to score political points at this time. But the DA MPs, Michael Cardo, Michael Bagram, both giving me the assurance that it has nothing to do with that this is purely about leading by example, the ANC following the law that they themselves have put before the House and which they've passed. And as I say, if other employers are to be forced to pay up, then so should they. And I also put it to them, why not just lay a complaint at the Department of Labour? The DA saying that they had written to the Labour Minister some 10 days ago to try to establish the facts in this matter, whether it is so that the ANC is falling foul of these laws that they are claimed to be falling foul of, both by their own staffers and now by the DA. And the DA saying they've got no response from the Labour Minister, and so they're left with no other choice if they want to get to the bottom of this matter than to head straight for the police station.
All right, I've got to thank you for that. That's eNCA's Lindsay Dentlinger reporting there from Cape Town. I mean, I don't think anyone can really begrudge opposition parties in politicking about this situation a little bit. No? I mean, if the ANC insists that it's the leader of society, well, the leader of society should lead by example. Don't give your opponents the weapons with which to whip you, and not handing over the UIF payments to the tax collector really is giving them a whip to whip you with.